Okay, this is my big gun, my big clone gun. I always forget the numbers. It's a DS something. I don't know. It's by Woodchuck. It's a big clone gun, and I'm gonna be painting it like 4 different colors. So it's not the best conditions right now. It just rained. It's still pretty humid, but I'm gonna start with a gloss white. I know typically you wouldn't use anything gloss on any Star Wars stuff, but it's what I've got. So I'm doing that, and just to get everything in one color. So I've just laid down like a can, yeah, probably about a can on all 3, just to get everything white. You know, this is wood, so it's kind of sucking in the paint, but I'm going to be using, I don't know, maybe 3 to 4 different colors. I'm going to be putting some gray on, some silver on, lots of black. So I'm not too worried about it. I'm not too worried about things like it's going on too heavy. I'm going to weather it. I'm going to probably hit my Dremel on it, so you know, even if it's a little ugly, I'm okay with that. So I've now put on this metallic. It's very cool. It looks like metal. Getting a little ugly there. Not too worried about it. It's a nice color. It's very shiny. Okay, that's done. I've also been doing the piece down there. The next color I'm putting on is a metallic silver. Probably not going to be too much different from that, maybe a bit shinier, maybe more chrome. A coat on of that stuff, all it really did was cut down the sheen of the other one that I had on and make it more flat, which I'm surprised, because if you looked at the cans, the top of this can is bright chrome and the other can was more grayish, but that other can was such a shinier paint than this. This is just making it look flat, which is probably better, you know, because all the guns are supposed to be flat. The black that I have, I think, is flat. I think so. You know, once I start chipping away at the black and sanding and stuff, it'll be flat underneath, and then metallic under that. So different layers. So the silvers are all on. We started with the white and then 2 different kinds of silver, and now I'm going to finish up with this black metallic. It's kind of a flat black, but it looks like it's got kind of like teeny little specks of gold in it, so I guess that's the metallic. Let's see what that looks like. Got almost a full can on it now, and it's coming out, it's not black, I would say it's almost bronzish. It's very cool. I'm gonna keep going, finish the can, and then I might just go get black and just kind of do a thin 1 coat of black over it. I mean, it's definitely a color of real guns that I've seen, but yeah, it's interesting. Okay, so I'm now gonna hit it with just this flat black. Probably what I should have done was do the flat black and then kind of lightly overspray this color, but I didn't know, you know, the cap was black on the other one. I didn't really know what it was gonna look like, so I'm kind of doing it backwards. Okay, I just put on 1 coat of the black, real light, just enough to bring it back to black as the main color, but you know, you can still see the hints of the metallic that want to come through. It's just underneath. And when it's all together, I'm going to take some sanding paper and sand some of the areas to reveal some of the silvers and bronzes and things that are underneath, to really leather it. But when you look at the gun now, again, it looks black again. It doesn't look that bronze color. So next time you see it, it should be together. Okay, so here's the gun. It's been drying for a couple hours, but I really probably shouldn't have touched it yet because I'm having to squeeze and really grab the gun, and I'm putting thumbprints in, and like I just touched there and got all that messed up. So I'm gonna definitely have to go in and touch up. And I see some areas that I missed because I had taped, so I just gotta touch that up there. I had taped the wood. I didn't want anywhere where wood was going into wood to get painted. This was a little rough. As I was putting it in, it kind of scraped up against there. So yeah, definitely needs touching up, but that's all part of weathering anyway. So I'll just kind of show you the gun. It is black, but it's got this metallic sheen to it, which I like. It actually looks more metallic on screen than it does in real life. If you just look at it, it's just looks more black. I'm gonna have to go in and paint more things silver, like all these little screws and bolts and stuff have to get painted silver. But I'm just trying to show you the gun. It's a little heavier now that I got paint on it. Yeah, you can see the thumbprints. I gotta fix that. I could probably sand that out. Yeah, you can see. But it's cool because anywhere that's getting rubbed, there's that silver underneath. So if it gets rubbed, it gets rubbed. A little bit of touch up there. We're on our way.